What up, y'all? Welcome to the final day of the 4,000 calorie 21 day challenge. Switching gears a little bit, actually before I dive into that, woke up this morning at 184.2, which is down from what I had been weighing. I think that walk yesterday, I sweat a lot during that walk. It's pretty hot here, like 95 degrees when I was walking. So I think my weight's down a little bit from that just loss of fluid. So I woke up at 184.2 today, which is about 2.5 pounds up from the starting weight. I'm going to drive to the gym right now, get an inbody scan for y'all, work out, do some arms, and I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to get my miles in still, but I'm going to do it rather than walk into the compound and back. I'm going to simply bush hog the field because that's going to wind up being about the same amount of miles and steps. So I need to bush hog anyways. That's what I'm going to do. I woke up with a temperature today of 99.5, so my temperature's gone down about a degree. Crystal's taking a rapid test right now, so we'll see if she's got COVID. Feel pretty fine. I woke up with a little bit of a sore throat, but I also had a ton of indigestion last night because of that yogurt. So I don't know if that's the reason or if it's COVID related, but all in all, I feel pretty good. So I'm going to go work out. I'm going to do my thing. And yeah, I'll be back at y'all in just a bit. All right, I'm at the gym, y'all. I'm about to step on the inbody. We'll see what we're working with here. 185.2 on the weight. All right, let's take a look at these results here. 185.2, 18.9% body fat, 86.6 muscle, and the 28.6 BMI, which I don't really put much weight in. But those are the stats after the 3 weeks at 4,000 calories. About to slam some buys and tries now. Get ready. All right, y'all, workout is done. Let's do some posing. Y'all, the workout's a wrap. Knocked that one out, feeling pretty good. About to eat my keto brick, head home, launch the macadamia madness bricks, and start bush hogging. What up, y'all? Before I head home, or actually on the way home, I'm gonna crash this chocolate peanut butter cup keto brick. This will be my first intake for the day, other than the heavy cream in my coffee. So 1,000 calories going down right now. All right, y'all, this is what we got cooking up here. We got some of that kielbasa sausage. That is 4 tablespoons of Primal Kitchen mayo with some of this good old stuff mixed in. And that's going to be pretty much the first thing. I had a popsicle earlier, whopping 40 calories in one of those electrolyte popsicles. But that, the popsicle, and then the bricks is all I've had today so far. Not going to lie, y'all, I have no hunger. I don't know if it's the COVID or what, the heat, I'm not sure, but I have no desire to eat. But I gotta go out strong on this last day of the challenge. So I'm gonna get my 4,000 calories in, but I don't really know where all it's gonna come from. So just taking it one bite at a time. Look at the little rabbit right there. Little wild rabbit. They're everywhere out here. All right, so did not finish bush hogging. I threw a belt on the old DR mower here, so had to bring that back up, let it cool, and then fix the belt. So did not finish bush hogging, but got about halfway done. It is currently 8:10, and I still have quite a few calories left to get in today. So I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna let you know what I get, and we will go from there, y'all.
Oh, what is up, you guys? It is 8:15 on Sunday night, the last day of the vlog. Rigel's down here feeding, and he's the most precious thing I've ever seen. But Robert asked me to jump on, just kind of give you guys an update on just things going on. So Robert has COVID, apparently. Not really showing a lot of signs or symptoms of it. So we want to be pretty careful with Rigel. So we've kind of kept ourselves separately from him. We're sleeping separate, all of that, because we really don't want Rigel to get sick. If I get sick, then likely I would get over it pretty quickly, but we don't know with him just being over a month old how his little body would handle it. So I've been laying down a lot with him, doing a ton of skin to skin with him, and just feeding him whenever he wants, letting him sleep as much as he wants, and really just trying to keep any sickness away from us. So I also have some bone broth over there that I'm going to have. I'm going to have some bone broth with some butter and heavy cream. I'm going to try to convince Robert to have some too, because it's so helpful, so beneficial for you. So I've been taking all the vitamins that I was taking for my prenatal. I'm also taking postpartum as well. So I took a bunch of those, taking the bone broth and everything, just trying to really stay up on my game, up on my hydration, and just trying to keep Rigel from getting sick at all. Even though Robert's not showing a lot of symptoms, he still is a carrier. He still has it, so we know that it's still in the air and all of that kind of stuff. So anywho, that's what we're doing. It's been a little bit of a long couple days because Robert's not holding Rigel, and so he's been a little bit needy. Rigel's been a little bit needy the last couple of days. And I'm also trying to get things done. We cook for the crew every week, but since Robert's sick, I am cooking all of the meat. So I had a bunch of meat to cook, and between that and keeping care of Rigel and trying to clean up, I usually do a lot of cleaning up around the house on the weekends. So trying to do all that before we head into another week, it's just been a bit overwhelming for me. But it's all happening, and I just had to remind myself a little bit this weekend that Rigel is my number one priority and everything else can wait. And if I need to do more skin to skin with him, if I need to feed him a little bit longer, then he deserves all my attention. So that is that. So far we are doing great, and so we hope to keep it that way. But it's kind of sad today's the last day of the vlog, so hopefully we'll just start kicking this into gear, and maybe we'll do a week-long vlog. Like maybe we'll vlog throughout the week and then put one out each week or something, because I think it's pretty fun. And there's not always a lot of stuff to talk about every single day, but I think over a week-long period it could be really a good vlog. So I look forward to that. I'm gonna get up after I'm done feeding him. I'm gonna get up and try to make Robert some bone broth if I can convince him of it. And then he asked me to make him a big shake, so we'll see how that goes, what we decide to do in the breakdown of that. But we also have a bunch of yogurt and things like that too, so we will see what I end up making. But he'll talk to you guys in a minute and tell you guys what he is having.
What is going on, y'all? And we are rounding out the day. I have a massive shake here. Not as big as that last shake. It's not 2,000 calories. It's about 1,200 calories roughly. I didn't quite finish all of that mayo with the German sausage, so I might wind up taking another shot or two of the exogenous ketones simply to get the calories in. I'm honestly just not hungry at all, so I'm trying to like drink my calories, hence the shake. But this shake has 1 scoop of Mark's Bell protein, 100 grams of peanut butter, 8 tablespoons of heavy cream, and a cup of almond milk, which puts my total macros for the day at 4,041 calories, 344 grams of total fat, 44 grams of total carbs, 126 grams of total protein. Well, that's not much protein at all. It's definitely my lowest protein, and that means it's my highest fat ratio. So today, I'm at 81.9% of my total calories coming from dietary fat, so kind of crazy. But like I said, I'm just not really wanting volume. I don't really want a whole lot of food. I don't know if that's COVID related or just simply the fact that I've been eating so much for so long now. But I'm gonna do like a full-blown recap video tomorrow that kind of shows goes over some of my findings, my thoughts, etc., so that way this video is not just obnoxiously long. But that's kind of where we're at. So the actual finale, I guess, will be tomorrow. That'll be the last video of this series. Today is the last day of actually eating the 4,000 calories though. Got it done, no questions asked, no regrets. As far as the whole COVID situation goes, feel pretty good right now. I can tell I'm having a little bit of a fever, but honestly, if I hadn't tested and wasn't thinking about it, I probably wouldn't even know I'm dealing with anything. I went and bush hogged today, worked out today, felt totally fine, got a great pump, all that good stuff. So, haven't lost my voice, haven't lost my sense of taste or smell. Feeling pretty good, all things considered. So, that said, I'm going to slam down this massive shake, and I will see y'all tomorrow.